So I see something that I like, which is what we were trying to do in Florida.
Oh yeah, okay.
But I need you to kneel down. Oh, actually that'd be better. Turn around. Turn around. No, turn around. So you see the light is coming from there. So it's gonna hit your face. Hang on, so let me fix it. Actually, I think if you stand up, it still hits your face, so that's good too. So the one thing so Shannon had told me when we were in Florida, at the cookout, she wanted to do this shoot with, you know, to get this. And it was kind of hard because we didn't have, the light wasn't strong enough, so it wasn't really creating the shadows. So when I saw it happening here, I immediately said, let's go down there. Let's make it happen. Oh my goodness, hang on. Hang on, let me get this. 1, 2. So you're gonna have to have your feet this way. Nope, that way.
Here's my ticket, I'll be on my way.
All right, hang on. No, I don't like that. Let me see here. Hang on. Shannon, go back a little bit. Go back. Too much. Come forward. Come forward. Right there. Danny, do me a favor. Oh, hang on. Never mind. I thought it wasn't gonna move. Actually, yeah, go back this time. Go back. Go back a little bit more. Right there. One, two. Beautiful. 1, 2. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Right, leave the hand right there. Leave it right there. Don't move it. Hold that. 1 second. Hold that. One. Don't move. 1, 2, 3. Stand up, facing the mirror, and you're looking at me through the mirror. Yeah. 1, 2.
All right, here we go. My first reels.
You got it.
Tagged all of y'all.
Ready? 1, 2. Bring your hand like the other one. The other one. Like bring it. Nope. On the wood. Yeah, right there. Now, this hand, put it like, yeah. Okay. 1, 2. Gorgeous. 1, 2. Beautiful. Instead of being a tiptoe, bring your leg across this way. Bring it across. Yeah. Hold that. 1, 2. Gorgeous. One more. One.
Behind you. Okay.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. Hold that. Don't move. Hold that. Don't move. Do me a favor. Don't move. Don't move your body. Hang on. Hang on. Instead of that way, turn it around. And that's just like, just bend it. Yeah. Hold that one. Hang on, don't move. Gotta get my focus. Gotta get my focus. Focus, damn it. There we go. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, that's cool. Hang on, hold that. 1, 2. So actually, do that, but you know, like spread. No, yeah. And now how you had it up there, like really strong. Yeah.
I see you have trouble saying that too, Ernesto.
Yes. You know what I mean.
Spread, widen your legs.
Open your legs in a V shape.
Whatever word you know for spread, use that word.
Bring like your hand. Don't put your hand on the glass because it might be all. So, but you know, just like hovering, I guess, if you would. Yeah, like that. Hang on. Yeah. Bring it over a little bit so it's not covering your face. Right there. There we go. 1, 2. All right, let's see what else we can do here. Oh, let's do this. Come, Shannon.
Oh, my
What?
famous.
Yes.
Oh, yes. I think I did.
Oh, I can't bring it over, Shannon, damn it. I can't bring it over. It's stuck. Oh, okay, hang on. We're gonna do it right here. I wish it would be in the middle though, but let's do it right here. I don't want to break it, so we'll leave it where it is. Let's see, hang on. Yeah, that will work. Yeah. Shannon, put your hands up like how you had it on the curtain, or that will work too. Bend it just a little bit though. There we go. 1, 2. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, I just got an idea. I'm gonna use that painting. Even though I hate that painting, I'm gonna use it. Hang on, I just got an idea. I did this like many years ago. Go in there. Come out. I need you to be elevated. So, come. Okay. Maybe. Oh, you know, maybe if you kneel down. It's still too short. Oh, actually, I thought if you stood up, it wouldn't have worked. Actually, it worked. Come forward a little bit. All right, so hang on. Let me see if I could frame this up. Hang on. 1 second. Just come over this way, because I'm trying to get you in the frame. Yeah, come over this way a little bit. So if you put your hands up, it's gonna be out of the frame. All right, hang on. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful, hang on. Let me change something here. 1 second, Shannon. I don't want this to be as cloudy. Hang on, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice. Hang on, that hand? Yeah, right there. 1, 2. Beautiful. Awesome, I got it. Let me see that with the flash that you have.
So I'm controlling it to the left side.
So the one thing that's a little distracting is that if you could get this out of it,
Which part?
the black
frame?
part, yeah, the frame itself, and just, well, maybe you could crop this as well, and that can actually make it work. Another thing that's a little bit distracting because you're using that flash, what you could potentially do is try to bounce the flash off of there, or maybe up in the ceiling. But if you look at the image really quick, see that shadow?
Yeah.
If you want that, awesome. If you don't, let's get rid of it and use it. Bounce that. So if you bounce that, now that becomes like a big softbox. The only thing is she needs to look that way. There we go. All right, so we put it on, let's put it on that. So that basically is gonna overexpose it a little bit. So try that one more time, do a test shot, see how that looks.
Oh yeah.
You see it? Okay, let me see it.
That's a big difference.
Yeah, now you see how much more of a direction of light. So now you just have to get it in the frame. Use your flippy screen, and then you get a better composition.
Oh my God. Killing it.
Oh, that is a figure.